In this video, I'll be walking you through theory of logarithm part 3. Theory of logarithm part 3. Now, which is problems on logarithm. Problem on logarithm. Now, once again, this is further solutions academy. Encourage us more, help us to share. Just share our videos and also subscribe to our channel, Further Solutions Academy. Share it and subscribe it. There are more of what? There are more to come. There are more. I mean, many are already available. You can learn mathematics on this channel, integration, any form of problems of mathematics, and more are still coming on your way, like vector analysis, ordinary differential equation, and so on and so forth. Now, I want to be walking you through problems on what? Logarithm. Problems on what? Logarithm. Now, I want to bring out a problem. Solve the equation 5 raised to the power 2x equals to 7x plus 1. Now, I want to solve this type of problem. If I'm to solve this problem, there's solution to this problem. There's no way I can solve this problem with help of indices. Now, there's one of our video, law of what? Equation law of indices. Now, this was established there, that in the law 3, if I have 2 raised to power m equals to 3 raised to power n. Since the powers are not equal and the base are not equal, there's no way we can do. We can what? We run to what? Logarithm. That is what happened here. Now, I want to establish that law 3 of that equation law of indices. Go and view it under indices. Now, what I will just do is 5 raised to power 2s equals to 7s plus 1. Now, what I will just do is that log the what? Both sides, because there's no relationship. There is no any relationship. Now, I can say a log 2x equals to what? Log 7x plus 1. Now, 2x log 5 equals to what? S plus 1 log 7. S plus 1 log 7. Since I have this, there's nothing I can do. What can I do here? Okay, I can say that what? My log 5, I can turn it to what? 1 minus what? Log 2. Which is, I can say that my log 5 is equal to what? 10 all over 2. If I establish this, I will have this with the help of what? Log 2. With the help of log 2. Since I have this, I can say that equals to what? X plus 7 log what? Log 7. Now, I can say that since I have this, for my problem, I have 2x. I have my log 2 will be minus what? 2x bracket of what? 0.3010. And also, I can say that equals to, this also will be what? 7 log 7. My log 7 can be given as what? Log 7, which is, press your calculator, whatever we get as log 7 is going to be given. Okay, whatever you get, now, which I have log 7 and plus log 7. Now, press your electronic calculator, which do the same of this log 7 and it make it in decimal, which I will now collect what? Collect like times the one of what? 2x minus what? 2x multiplied by 310 minus x log 7. Log 7 should be around 0.8. Sorry, let me present it. Multiplied by 0.84551. And also equals to what? 0.8451. Now, since I have this, now add up everything. If I should multiply times, okay, this one will be 2 times log 2, which is 10. This one will be 2x minus 6.02 0x minus, this one will be 0.8451x equals to 0.8451. Now, since I have this, I can now add up everything, which I have 2 plus 6.020 plus 0.8451, which I will have 8.8651 equals to 0.8451, which I have is x. My x is equals to 0.85 divided by what? 8.8651. Now, whatever I have, that is my final answer. 0.451 divided by 8.8651, which I can now say that my x, it will be equals to 0.0951. Okay, let me just 53. Now I can now approximate it to what? My s can now be approximately equals to what? 0.1. That is my final answer. Put 0.1 on this. Can they be equal? If they are equal, there won't be any issue. That is just it. Now, another problem. Okay, I have another problem, like I have a question like this. Solve for x and y. Solve for x and y. If I have 2 raised to power x plus y equals to 6 raised to power y, comma 3 raised to power x equals to 32 raised to power y plus 1. Now I'm asked to solve. Now it's simultaneous equation because there are 2 equal to signs. Now how do I solve this type of problem? I can do it this way. 2x plus 3 equals to what? 6 raised to power y. I will log this side. If I should log, I will have x plus y log 2 equals to y log 6. Log 6. My log 6 can be k. I can say that what? Bracket of log 2 plus what? Log 3, which is, I'm using log 2, log 1, multiplication log. Now, since I have that, I can say that what? X bracket of 0.3010 plus y bracket of 0.3010 equals to, my log 2 will be y bracket of 0.3010 plus my log 3 will be what? Y bracket of 0.4771. Now, since I have this, add up for x and collect like times, which if I should collect like times, this and this, addition and this, is there anything? Yes, there's this and this will cancel themselves. It will cancel themselves. Now, since it will cancel themselves, I'll be having 0.3010 minus, which is x, minus y, 0.4771 y equals to 0, equation 1. I will do the same thing for this part, which is going to be what? I will having from 3x equals to 32 raised to power y plus y. Now, x log 3 equals to what? Y plus y equals to what? Log 32. which is going to be 5 log 2 raised to the power 5. 2 raised to the power 5. Now, since I have that, I can answer that what s bracket of 0.4771 equals to, the 5 will come down, 5 bracket of what, y plus 1, which is log 2 will be what, 0.3010. Now 3010. Now I can answer that what, multiply it by 5. If you are to multiply this number by 5, now I have 0.3010 times 5. I will have which I will have 1.505y plus 1.505 equals to, this also will be what, 0.4771x. Now I can now see that what, if I should collect like times, I will have 0.4x1x minus 1.505y equals to 1.505. Now, if I have this one will now be what? Equation 2. Equation 2. Since I have my equation 1, I have my equation 2. I can now solve it simultaneously. Which is from equation 1. From equation 1. Equation 1. I can say that what? Make y the subject. Make s the subject. My x will be equals to what? 0.4771y all divided by what? 0.3010. Now, since I have that, can I put this to equation? Put into equation 2. Now, since I put it into equation 2, I'll be having that, and then we solve and solve. Once you solve, you generate your x, you generate your what? Y in terms of what? Decimal. That's just the value. After you finish your number, you get your x value, you now test. You test for what? For x and what? Y. Okay. You now test for x and y, which if I should put onto equation 2, I'll be having 0.4771 multiplied by 0.4771 y divided by 0.3710 minus 1.505y equals to what? 1.505y. 5. Now I can now say that what can I do here? I multiply all by what? To avoid fraction. 0.3010 times 1.505, which I will have. Now multiply all through by this particular fraction. Now, which I will have 0.4771 multiplied by 0.4771y equals to minus which is I have 0.4530y and also 0.4530. Now, since I have that, I can now multiply this 0.4771 times 0.4771, which I will have. This one will now be 0.2276y equals to minus my answer minus 0.4530, which I have. Now I will now be, if I multiply and minus, I'll be having minus 0.2253 equals to what? Y equals to 0.450. Divide both sides by what? This number and what? This number. Now, whatever you get, that is our what? Y. You will now do the same thing for what? For your x. After that, that is what? Your how to solve, how to go about that kind of question. Simultaneous form. Now, make sure you finish it. If there is any problem, drop your what? Comment. Drop your comment. Okay, another problem that can also come up. If I have I want to solve for x. 2x multiplied 3, 1 minus equals to what? 6. Now, if I have this type of problem, I can see that what? 2x dot what? Solution to this problem. 2x 3, 1 minus x equals to 3, 2 times 3. Yes, 2 times 3. Now, I don't need to stress myself. There are 6, there are 6. This is 6, 6. I can also say that what? 2 raised to power. I can say that 6, the base are equal. Since the base are equal, now I can say that 2x equals to what? 2, 1. Now, my x equals to 1. And also, I can say that 3, 1 minus x equals to 3 raised to power 1. And also, my 3 is equal to 3, 1 minus x equals to what? 1. Now, I have what? 0, which is not possible. Okay, which is not possible. Now, okay, if I have something like this, I can log the both side. If I log the both side, I'll be having log 2x dot 3 raised to power 1 minus x equals to log 2 dot 3 multiplied by 3. Now, multiply means dot means multiplication. Now, since I have this log 2x plus log 3, 1x equals to log 2 plus log 3. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? X log 2 plus 1 minus x bracket of log 3 equals to what? Log 2 log what? 3. Now, since I have this, I can say that what? X log 2 plus what? Log 3 minus x log 3 equals to what? Log 2 plus log 3. Now, if I want to go again, this is my x, this is my x. I can say that what? My x log 2 minus x log 3 equals to what? Log what? If I like, I can call it log 6. I don't need to stress myself. Log 6 minus 3, log 3. Now, if I have something like this, I can factor out my x log what? Log 2 minus log 3 equals to what is here? 6. 6 divided by 3, which is going to be what? 6 divided by 3. I'm using my what? Log practically. Now, this time around, I did not open any, which I can say that what? My x log what? 2 all over 3 and also equals to what? Log 6 all over 2 is what? 3. Which I can answer that what? My x equals to what? Log 3 divided by what? Log 2 all over 3. Now, if I want to establish very well, I can say that my x equals to what? What can I do to this one? I can say log 3 all over what? Log 2 minus log 3. I'm using my law, which my s can now be equals to what? 0.74, I mean 0.4771 divided by what? 0.3010 minus 0.4771. Whatever you get with your calculator, that is value of what? Of x. Now this time around, I did not use from the beginning, I just mix it up. Now the last question on this part. Okay, second to the last question on this part. Okay, if I have a problem like this, I have a problem like in form of indices, but it's not really an indices problem. Now, if I have a question like this, I have solve for x. If x is power 1 over 3 minus 4x is power 3 all over 2. No, sorry. 2. This is 2 all over 3 equals to what? Equals to 2. Equals to 2. This is going to be having minus. Now, I'm asked to solve this type of problem equals to 3. Now, how do I go? Solution. I have x 1 all over 3 minus 4 divided by what? S 3 all over 2, which is equals to 3. Now, I want to solve this problem. I'll be having s1 all over 3 minus 4 bracket of what? This is, 2 all over 3. 2 all over 3. Now, I'll be having s is to power 1 all over 3 bracket of what? 2 equals to 3. Let s is to power 1 all over 3 equals to what? N. Now, I can say that my n minus 4 all over m squared equals to what? 3. Now, how do I solve? Multiply all through, which I have what? M raised to power 3 minus 4 equals to what? 3m squared. Now, I can answer that what? My m raised to power 3 minus 3m squared minus 4 equals to 0. Now, if I'm to solve this type of problem, this is polynomial. Now, the best way to go about this question is, look for a number that you can put here, that this is going to be what? It's going to be what? It's going to be 0. Hope there's no any problem. Minus, hope there's no problem from the question. This should be 4. This should be plus. Sorry, let me change the question to plus. Sorry, I'll be able to achieve what I want to achieve. Now, 4. Now, yes. If my hem is equal to 1. If my hem is 1, let m equals to 1. Since my hem is equals to 1, I will have what? I will have 1, 1, and 4, which is going to be what? 0. It means my hem equals to 1 is one of the what? Roots. Since I want to use synthetic method to generate the what? Equation, I can say that what? My m minus what? 1. Synthetic method. I'm running towards synthetic method. I don't have time. Now, I'll be having 1. I'll be having 3. I'll be having 0. I'll be having minus 4. Now, I'll bring down, this is minus. I'll bring down 1. And that my 1 times this will be minus 1. Now, I'll be having this minus, it will be 4. It will be 4. Now, yes, 4. Now, I'll be having this minus this. It will be minus 4. Now, since I have minus 4, this times this number times this will be 4. Now, which is going to be what? Minus 4. Now, this times this, I'll be having 4. It means the last one will be what? Is 0. Minus 4. This is going to be 4. No, sorry, this is going to be minus minus 0, it will be 4. Sorry, this is going to be 4. Now, which is going to be what? Minus 4, which is going to be 0. Now, since I have this now, I can say what? My m minus 1, my m squared plus 4m plus 4 equals to 0. It means what? My m equals to, okay, I want to factorize this, which is my m. I will be having 2. My m 2 plus 2, my n plus 2 equals to this, minus 1 equals to this. Now, these are the factor of this equation. I can say what? My m equals to 1, my m equals to minus 2, my m equals to minus 2, which is twice repeated equation, which is equal. Now, repeated here. Now, what can I do next? I am looking for what? X, not what? I will not say when my n, okay, n, sorry, I will say n's, my m equals to what? S raised to power 1 over 3. My s equals to what? 1 over 3. Now, when my m is 1, when my n is what? Is 1. When my m is 1, when m equals to 1, it means I'll be having s raised to power 1 over 3 equals to, now if I have s raised to power 0, it will be 1. Now, s raised to power 0, it will be 1. Okay, sorry, I'm talking about 1. I'm talking about 1. Okay, now what can I do to this 1 that will be getting something very good? Now, I can say that what? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, since I have 1, okay, what I will just do is that what? I multiply both power by what? By 3. By 3. This will cancel this. It means my s equals to 1. Now, I will now move on again. When my m equals to minus 2. When my m equals to what? Minus 2. I have x 1 over 3 equals to minus 2. What can I do here? My x, I will also multiply both sides by what? By 3. By what? By 3. This will both power multiply both power by what? By 3. Now I will be having x equals to what? Minus 2 bracket of what? 3. Which I will be having my s equals to what? Minus 2 in 3 places, which will be what? Minus 8. Now, it means my x1, it means my x1, the values are what? My x equals to what? 1. S equals to minus 8. S equals to minus 8. That is my value of what? X. If you put those numbers there, you will see that you have the what? Answer. Okay. Once again, Further Solutions Academy. This is Further Solutions Academy. Do more for us. Subscribe for Further Solutions Academy. Subscribe, share, and what? And subscribe to our channel. Further Solutions Academy. Thanks for watching.